Okay, so we will start with 134, right everyone? We'll continue with 134. Okay, now everyone just go through question 134. In each of the given pairs, right, I guess everyone can prove that these, right, these two triangles are congruent or not. Tell me. This is ABC. So I'll just ask one question. ABC is congruent to, triangle ABC is congruent to which triangle? Tell me. Triangle ABC is congruent to which triangle? See, angle A 55. So angle Q is 55. It should be triangle Q. Now AC is 6. AC is 6, right? Angle B is 50. Angle P is 50. So QP, right? Then QR. So it should be QPR. Okay, right? But this is 50 degree and this is 60 degree. So not congruent. Got it? Right? Not congruent. Not congruent. If this would have been 50 degree, right? Then this. Otherwise not congruent. Okay? Right? Okay. Next. Second one. See this. Triangle ABC. Congruent to. Is it congruent? Yes or no? This angle 40, this angle 40, this angle 30, this angle 30. This is common. Congruent, yes or no? Message me everyone, yes or no? Yes, very good. What is the congruency criteria? Congruency criteria? Yes, ASA. So, see, angle A, right? Angle C. Now, angle B is this one, ABD, right? ABD. Okay, ABD. So it is ABD actually, it's not ABC, it's ABD, ABD, and right, CDB, DB, because ABD is equal to CDB angle, and BD is equal to BD. Got it? So congruency, when you talk about congruency, you have to keep, right, correspondence principle in your mind. Okay, right everyone? ADC is not a triangle, Ragini. ADC is not a triangle now. It is ABD and CDB. Okay, right? Next. C. Tell me. Question number C. 100, 100. 50, 50. Right? And this is 4.8, this is 4.8. Right? Congruent, yes or no? Yes? Very good, very good. Congruent. So, triangle, right? I can write like this: triangle X, Y, Z is congruent to triangle. Angle X is 100, here angle L is 100, L. Angle Y is 50, angle M is 50, M. The last is N, N. Because ML is equal to XY. Got it? Right everyone? Are you getting? Sricharan? See, we start with angle X. Angle X, write down XYZ, write down this one triangle with any order, doesn't matter. So for second triangle, angle X is equal to angle L. So L. Angle Y is equal to angle M. Example is only one, Mansa. Example for triangles and congruency is one only. Okay. Right. Now D. Tell me D. D1. ABC and DEF. You tell me, congruent or not? If not, then which triangle is congruent to which triangle? Yes, it is not congruent, right? Not congruent. The side angle, right? Not possible. Okay, very good, everyone. Next, E and F. Tell me. I hope all of you can solve now. Shravya, it is not ASA. See, it is not ASA because in second triangle it is not given. See, you are seeing this, right? But in this one, this angle C is not angle equal to angle A. It's not given, right? Okay. So angle E. Yes. So see this M and O. Write down M and O. M and O triangle. Okay. This is this question is not complete, I guess. Okay, something must. This is 40. This is equal to this, right? Because both are 50-50, right? And this is 40. Because either parallel or something should be given. Okay, right, everyone? Either this parallel to this or something should be given. Okay, next question by F. It's easy. This is equal to this. This angle is with this angle. This angle is with this angle given. ASA. Right? Very good. AOD, BOC. Yes, Devika, very good. Everyone is getting this? Tell me. So 135, we solved 135. 134, sorry. 135. So read question 135 using only RHS. Right? You have to use only RHS. First one, A. Are they congruent using RHS? RHS means what? Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle, check. Hypotenuse same, check. Side equal, check. So yes, congruent. Right? Right, everyone? Yes, no, right angle only, okay? Second one. Okay, right angle in this, right angle in this, check. Second, hypotenuse equal, check. Third side equal, check. No, Ragini, it is not perpendicular side, it can be any side. Okay, except for hypotenuse. Okay, right? So yes, congruent. Next, third one, it is right angle, not given now. Even if it seems like it is not given. So this is congruent using SSS, not RHS, not RHS. Okay, any issues? Now this one, this given, but 90 degree not given. It is not said that it is 90 degree, because for 90 degree it should be squared. It is curved, right? So also cannot say. It is SAS, SAS. RHS cannot say. Right? SAS also cannot say. Okay, we cannot say SAS also, because this is 8, right? This is 8, don't know. This is 6, we know that, right? But this is 10. Unless until this is 90 degree, we cannot say that this is 8. Okay? And for 90 degree, it should be what? It should be like square, okay? Next, E and F, tell me. Yes, Devika. So see, in this one, no, not possible. In this one, hypotenuse equal, yes. 90 degree, yes. This, so yes. Okay, got it, everyone? Everyone got this RHS? Tuvishka, got it? Sricharan, Yukti, Aditya, Sricharan, Nandish, Harsh, Akshit, Arav, got it? Anyone have any doubt? Very good, everyone. Okay, now let's see 136. 136 we have solved, I guess. It is not of inequality. Sorry, not of congruency. 137 also we have solved. 138. Now 138 we have solved, right? See, problem like these we have solved. It's not of congruency, okay? It's Pythagoras theorem. 139, Pythagoras theorem, we have solved it. Okay? So 142. 142, everyone? See 142? Without drawing the triangle, right? All the 6 parts equal, right? Now, we'll just do one question, okay? We'll just do one question. When we are taking triangle STU and triangle DEF, now tell me which angle S, angle T, angle U, right? Then ST, TU and SU. Tell me what are the equal corresponding parts? Angle S is equal to? Angle S is equal to? Yes, very good. Everyone is getting the corresponding theory? Principle of correspondence? So angle S is equal to angle D, right? Angle T is equal to angle E. Angle U is equal to angle F. Then ST, first two, DE. TU is EF. Then SU is DF. Okay? Got it, everyone? So I hope 142 you can solve all the remaining 3 questions. Okay, very good, everyone. Now 143. So tell me which question to solve in 143. I'll solve question number SSS. It's easy. 143 is easy, right, everyone? 143 is easy. You just have to check for SSS. It is same as RHS 1. Okay. So 143, I guess everyone can solve. So some questions, students have doubt in question number 144. Okay. So let's see 144. Okay. 144. Arav, please listen. You had doubt in 144. Now, ABC is isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC given. D is a midpoint. So BD is equal to DC given. And this is common. Yes or no? So triangle ADB is congruent to which triangle? ADC. Very good. So first question, name the three pair of equal parts in triangle ABD and ACD. So AB is equal to AC. You have to write given, right? Given. BD is equal to DC, right? Midpoint. Midpoint. Then AD is equal to AD, common. You have to write like this. So triangle ADB is congruent triangle ADC using SSS congruency. You have to write it like this. Okay? Got it? Tell me, Arav, you got it? Okay, everyone? Okay, very good. So, remaining these 145. Let's see 145. So in 145, what is given? Again, right? LM. Now, I'll just give it to you guys. I'll give you 2 minutes. Right, everyone? So obviously 3 pairs are equal. So can I say that triangle NOM is congruent to? Now N, right? M, triangle M. Angle O, so it should be angle L. And last is MLN. MLN. Yes, congruent, which is SSS congruency. Got it, everyone? So this is the answer of first one, and this is the answer of second one. Okay? One 146. Right? 146, everyone. Just give 1 minute. Okay, very good, everyone. So let's see. Let's draw two triangles, DEF. and LMN. D, E, F, L, M, N. You have to draw figures, right? Both are isosceles. Means DE is equal to DF and LM is equal to LN, right? And DE is equal to LM. So write like this. DE is equal to LM. In same way, DF is equal to LN because they are equal, right? Given, right? And EF is equal to MN, given. Then triangle DEF is congruent to triangle LMN SSS. So can I say that angle E is equal to angle M? Angle E is equal to angle M? Right? Which is equal to 40 degree. Now, since it is isosceles, angle M is equal to angle N. Okay, so this is also 40 degree. Okay, now question number 147. 147 is easy, right, everyone? 147, easy, you can solve it, right? You just have to see, same as previous two questions. Okay. Now, 149. Let's see question 149, everyone. So, we just have to tell me which congruency you have to use. PQ is equal to ST. PQ ST. S. QR TU. QR TU. Okay. S. Angle Q, angle T. Angle Q, angle T. So Q and T is in middle, right? So S, AS. Yes or no? Yes or no? SAS. Right? SAS. Right, everyone? See, QQ. Common Q and angle Q. Common T, angle T. Then it is SAS. But if it would be any other angle, right? Then it wouldn't be SAS. Okay? No, Tuvishka, it is SAS. Okay? See, common side. It is like this now, right? P, Q, R. So Q is common side, and this is your included angle. Okay? SSA is wrong. Okay, because SAS. Right? Second one, tell me. 49, 149, second one. AB is equal to ZX. AC is equal to YZ. So common is angle A is equal to, common is angle Y. But here angle A is equal to angle X. Right? But 90 degree. Right? 90 degree. Think like this. Angle A, angle X. Right? So Y, Z, B, C. RHS. Now YZ is equal to BC given. YZ is equal to BC not given. So even RHS is not possible. So not congruent. Not congruent. Okay. We will check both. Okay. RHS also will check if we have 90 degree. No Sri Charan, we don't have Kahoot today because tomorrow is test now. Next, 150. 150 you guys can do. Okay, 150 you have to do. Now 151. Let's see 151. We have two triangles DEF and HIG. Now in both 150 and 151, tell me which congruency you have to use. Tell me which congruency. In this one, which congruency? This common, this is equal to this given, and this angle given. So which congruency? Yes, SAS. Very good. In this one, this side is equal to this side given. Angle E is equal to angle 1 given, and what is given? EG is equal to FI, right? If we add FG to both sides, we will get EF is equal to IG, right? Okay, so in this case also SAS. So in both 150 and 151, SAS. It's not common, Shravya. It is IF and FG. It's not common because you have to make. What is your doubt, Ishtar? Okay, Ishtar, wait. Let me complete this first. Okay, because that's the objective problem. It will be solved within minutes. (142). Okay, so we have only 159 questions. 159 questions. So it is easy. It will be completed soon. Okay. So 152. Tell me. Easy. 152. AC common. AC is equal to AC common. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 given. Which congruency? Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Shravya. Everyone, tell me which congruency? Are they congruent? Yes, Ragini, very good. Everyone should answer. Yes, Madhur, very good. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Brinda. ASA. Angle, side, angle. Right, you have to write. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. AC is equal to AC common. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 given. So triangle ADC is congruent to ABC, right? Using ASA. Then AD is equal to AB CPCT and CD is equal to CB CPCT, right? Yes, CPCT. Now 143. Arav, are you getting all these problems? You have doubt in these? Okay, now 143. So we have two triangles. So again, let's see what is given first. Write it down. A, this angle. ABC is equal to triangle DCB. Yes or no? Right? 70, 70, go to 70 degree. Right? This angle is this angle. Next, triangle, sorry, angle ABC, ABC, sorry, ADC. Wait, I'm writing it wrong. Triangle, angle ACB is equal to DBC, right? And BC is equal to BC common. Angle, side, angle, right? Okay, so ASA, congruent, yes, congruent. AB is equal to DC, AB is equal to DC, CPCT, and AC is equal to DB, CPCT. Not SSS Tavishka, it is angle side angle, na? Side is not given, right? Got it? Side is not given, na? Angle is given, so it is angle side angle. Okay? Tell me everyone, 153. Now 154, everyone just go through question 154. So write down the triangle first. QSR, QSR and QTA and RTQ. Angle T is equal to angle S given, right? QR is equal to QR common, right? And QS is equal to, QT. QT is equal to QR, QS, QS given. So hypotenuse equal, right angle triangle, and one side equal. Using RHS. RT, my bad, RT is equal to QS. So QSR, yes, Ragini, RT. So QSR is congruent to RTQ, right? Using RHS congruency. Okay? Right, everyone? Tell me. Got it? Raise your hand. If everyone got this, just raise your hand. Very good, everyone. Now 156, 157, 158, right? 156, test. 157 you also done. 158. I hope 158 you can solve. RHS, yes or no? Right? Okay, very good, everyone. So now is third doubt is question 40 and 41. Let's see that. Okay. 40 in triangle ABC, angle A is 100 degree. Okay. Okay, wait. Like this. A, B, C. This is 100. Now AD bisects angle A. Okay, this is D. Bisects means this is 50, this is 50. Then angle B is equal to AD is perpendicular, बोल दिया ना, AD is perpendicular to BC. It is 90 degree. So this is, you can easily solve 50 plus 90, 140, 180 minus 140, 40. We have given this test, right? 41. Again, same problem. We have given this in test also, I guess. 140, 41 we have given in test, I guess. Right? So this is 50, this is 70. So this is 60. Now, this angle is bisector, right? So this is 30. And 70 plus 30, 100. Okay, everyone? Okay. So I hope we have done with this. Please solve more problems as much as possible. Okay. Best of luck for tomorrow's test. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Bye, everyone.